Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we need to change dy over dx. So sin y square we put on the left, dx and cosh s square we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. This one we have cosecant of y square dy. This one we have secant of s square dx. So the integration of this one we have negative cotangent y. The integration of this one we have tan of x, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equal to number 0, y equals to this one. So I will put b over 2 cone here and number 0 cone here. So this one we have 0. This one we have 0. So we have c equal to number 0. And now I will put number 0 cone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.